Alright, so I want to do a giveaway for our viewers. All you got to do is like, be subscribed, and leave a comment. Pick which one you want. The cut gem, the hat, or the drip t-shirt. These are all t-shirts or hat. So like, subscribe, leave a comment on which one you want, and pick the winner in a couple days. Door off. Pretty clean. Our next little cut and weld project is going to be right there. We're going to cut that out. Well, then a new panel. Looking pretty good though. Got a lot of work to do down here. And on the inside. Alright, so we got the Datsun door here. We actually welded in a patch, got rid of the keyhole. We didn't just do filler there. We actually did weld in a patch, which is nice. Makes it sturdy. We're going to prime this whole thing. Actually doesn't look too bad. We're going to prime it, block it, see where we're at. We also got the Porsche over here. We're going to do primer inside the sunroof here. We're going to paint up to this first line. That's what requested the customer. The rest of it will just be dry sprayed. It's all hidden, all has trim pieces or whatever the case might be. So we're just gonna clean up that first line there and get that in primer when we shoot the door. All right, so like I showed you guys before, we had that rust spot. So we're gonna cut out the rust like we did. We got a new piece to weld in. Just gonna get that to fit, get that welded up, get this whole edge work, all that stuff cleaned up as well. You see the inside. Started working on this passenger side. This stuff is really nasty. You got this old Dynamat kind of stuff. That's still pliable, so that comes out relatively easy. But then you got this old original, I guess it's some sort of sound deadening heat material, but that stuff basically chiseling out. So that is a pain. But again, got a lot of it cleaned up, got a lot of it out. Gonna go back through, do all the finish work, and then work on the driver's side as well. What's up guys, Zach here from 88 Customs. Just want to show you some of the upcoming gear we have. Pretty cool stuff. We got the diamond with the OG logo on the bottom. T-shirt on the front side, same thing. You got this sick sugar skull girl with the new style writing, black and gold, really cool. Front side, the lady customs there in the gold, really cool stuff. This one will probably be a limited edition run, but we think it's pretty cool. This one here, one of my personal favorites, the dripping skull, 88 Customs on the bottom. Flip it over. This is a t-shirt. We'll have this in a sweatshirt as well. Don't mind the dust. Got the 88 there. Pretty cool. That one will probably, like I said, have it in a sweatshirt. For the girls, got the simple 88 Customs there. And then a couple different tank tops. Again, don't mind the dust. We're gonna get these washed up. These are just samples. We're gonna shoot some photos and get these on the website, 88customs.com. All right, so we got that all cleaned up, ready to go. As I was saying before, I want to get this door into primer. Got that done, ready to be blocked. We got our other door here to fill the keyhole. Did have to do some metal work down there where it was bent a little bit, but not too bad. We're gonna block this down, get that ready for primer tomorrow. Let's see what we got on the inside over here. Did weld in that plate right there, cut out the rust, welded it in. On the back side, got the other plate welded in and got that exhaust hole that was cut out before. That welded in. We're gonna get the rest of this cleaned up here in the next day or so. Yeah, she's looking pretty good. Next thing we gotta do too is we're gonna cut out basically from right here, give or take. You can see that bad rust down there. So we're gonna actually, again, cut out right there. And then we've got a replacement panel here. So we'll do the same thing, cut just below that, weld that in, should be nice. You see this nice Swiss cheese plate, that's what we cut out of there. So again, looks much better. We'll do a little bit of filler, level that out, be perfect. Yeah, looking real good. Let's see what we got going on in the back. All right, so back here we got some Porsche parts. We got the hatch here, all ready for paint. We're gonna do the inside and the outside, I believe. No, we're gonna do the inside. I had to think about that. We're gonna do the inside first and then do the jams on the car and put that back on and shoot the outside. The bumpers all ready for paint as well. See how those letters came out, nice. We'll do a little sealer, but they're gonna look really good when it's all finished up. The owner there talked about some people do like lettering inside there, which tends to peel and becomes tacky. So we're actually just gonna shoot regular paint, clear, so that way those letters, they stand out on their own, but they're nothing basically, you know, making them pop besides the paint itself. So we're leaving it original. Again, that's just, we want to keep this as original as possible, original color, original everything, original primer, original paint, all that stuff. So that's going to be one cool little feature. And yeah, so we'll have these painted the next day or so. This is driver's rear quarter. See, got a bunch of body fluid down there, a bunch of stuff in here. Don't really know what's going to be behind it. Find out. Alright, so Samantha came in, did a bunch of the interior, got a bunch of the old Dynamat, just crap out of here. Still got a little bit left under the pedals, but looking pretty good. This quarter panel, let's see, this is for primer, lower part, last skin coat. Got some real bad issues here. This is all going to be jumped out. We'll replace that. Rust down bottom.